In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use community components in Figma, a tutorial designed to get you up and running in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Figma or simply looking to streamline your design workflow, this guide will be invaluable. So let's dive in. First things first, head over to your web browser and navigate to Figma's official website. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that's particularly useful for designers who want to create projects with ease and efficiency. Once on the homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This will take you to a screen where you can enter your credentials. If you're not yet signed up, take a moment to do so. It's a quick process and will grant you access to Figma's extensive features. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on Figma's home interface. This is your central hub where you can access your recent projects and shared files. From here, we want to move to the Templates and Tools section. You'll find this in the sidebar or sometimes at the top of your screen, depending on your particular layout. This section hosts a variety of useful templates and design tools that can bolster your projects. Now, the heart of this tutorial is in the Browse Resources section. This is where you'll find Figma's community components. These resources can be a game changer, offering predefined design elements that other users have created and shared. To access this section, simply click on Browse Resources. You'll find a treasure trove of icons, buttons, layouts, and other components. Scrolling through these offerings, you might discover items that perfectly match your project needs. As you explore, don't forget to use the search bar to quickly locate particular components or themes. If you find a component you'd like to utilize, click to open it. From there, you'll see an option to duplicate to your drafts or open in Figma. Choosing either option allows you to insert these components directly into your own projects. This feature not only saves time but also helps maintain consistency across various design tasks. Incorporating community components into your Figma workflow can significantly enhance your design process. It introduces diversity and creativity into your projects without the need to start from scratch every time. Moreover, it encourages a collaborative spirit by utilizing shared resources. Be sure to frequently check back for new additions, as the community continually evolves and produces fresh, innovative content. And there you have it, a simple guide on leveraging community components in Figma. Feel free to revisit these steps as you familiarize yourself with this powerful feature. We hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful, and that you're now equipped to enhance your Figma projects with ease. Happy designing!